Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 902 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, we've got quarterly results from HIVE, BitMining Limited, and DGHI Technology. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HIVE, has posted its earnings report for its second quarter, ended September 30th, 2022. Highlights there include revenue of $29.6 million, the mining of 858 Bitcoin and 7,309 Ethereum, but a net loss before tax of $37.2 million in the quarter. Frank Holmes, HIVE's executive chairman, explained, quote, "It was an extremely challenging quarter for the global digital asset ecosystem, where we saw the capitulation of crypto prices due to the proof-of-stake Luna token blow-up in the spring and subsequent contagion from over-leveraged shadow banks, hedge funds, and offshore exchanges. Strategically, we have not borrowed expensive debt against our mining equipment or pledged our bitcoins for costly loans. Thus, our balance sheet remains healthy to weather this storm. We believe our low coupon fixed debt, attractive green renewable energy prices, and high-performing energy-efficient ASIC chips will help us navigate through this crypto winter." End quote. Next up for today, BitMining Limited, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol BTCM, has reported its unaudited financial results for its third quarter, ended September 30th. The company posted revenue of $97 million, down a significant $296.1 million from the $393.1 million recorded back in Q3 last year. BitMining's CEO Jianfeng Yang comments, quote, "Over the past quarter, we focused on R&D and identifying synergies across our vertically integrated supply chain. Cryptocurrency price weakness and higher energy prices have had a significant impact on stock prices and revenues of companies in our sector, including BitMining. Despite turbulent market conditions, we remain committed to our long-term growth strategy and confident in our ability to create value for our shareholders in the future." End quote. Lastly for today, DGHI Technology Inc., which trades on the NasDaq as DGHI, has also shared its unaudited financial results for Q3. The company mined 202.78 Bitcoins in the quarter and boasts mining revenue of $18.5 million for the 9-month period ended September 30th, up 20% from the $15.4 million for the same period last year. DigiHost CEO Michel Amar said, quote, "DigiHost is pleased to present its third quarter financial results, highlighted by a 52% increase in Bitcoins mined during Q3 compared to Q3 of last year. The company continues to be committed to conservatively managing its balance sheet and effectively allocating its capital resources in today's challenging economic environment. We are proud to be one of the rare cryptocurrency mining companies with a positive net income and EBITDA year to date." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.